This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Yeah.
Another redemption time for Hurricane and then Gary Southgate and England men in 30th
or the Southgate.
Okay, Southgate. On your way to Franco, on your way, quarter fan and Wodru, on your way, Montumbazi, and your quarter fan and Wodru, on your way, Montumbazi.
You'll be at the World Cup or near the Giza. You'll be at the World Cup
or the Southgate.
So the 30th July 1966 was the last time an England man beat Germany in a major tournament. And on that day, a team led by Sir Alfred Ramsey, and Jeff Hurst, and Stamford Peters, and on team share with Germany by 4 goals to 2.
This is World Cup now, I'm not going.
But 2000
controversies be great.
I'm talking about
no qualifier. Don't question Germany.
Make a group
stage. English on one Europe 2000. I'm talking about
qualifier be some
5-1.
Munya boy non kasa. Oni na and
it is coming home. Oh, and you know Chrome.
I'm not coming beso me beso karasem. Jaino.
And as a job, we share with Germany by 4 goals to 2. And on the J World Cup.
That's what Chubby Bigua around the
Can't Fugua, then we see that. In Mexico 1970, almost have share Germany beat
Iceland.
Okay.
Iceland, kitty.
Iceland, you film from France, no. And then Ukraine, no.
Now we am going.
They do against the news and now against it. In 1970, Ansanye for England, they were beaten in Mexico. In 1972 Euros again, almost Germany side eliminated team my friend England. In 1990 World Cup, it was Stadium Delapi. Now England himself after getting Gary Lineker and then Paul Gascoigne. Now come beating my Franz Beckenbauer team no. But the last 2 penalties from Stuart Pearce and Chris Waddle, ATV England for me the semi-final or team qualify to the next stage of the competition under Sir Bobby Robson. If you on Omasa be host 2 tournament in 1996 Wembley and na penalties they cost now the coach FNO Gary Southgate so said you or born a penalty in say no and Germany qualify to the next stage of the competition. That was in knockout stages. In 2010 World Cup with Frank Lampard and Steven Gerrard, no one is on bet me redeem or more image, you know. But Lucas Podolski, Miroslav Klose, and Thomas Muller, onya clear cut chance I'll be into the Beticano, and more 4 goals. And my Frank Lampard go or share no, Ecofan Chinua by and my goal line technology, baby, PA football. It was a time I know BA should say England bet me redeem or more image in this particular championship. I blah on both game now at their own backyard. Or more first 3 games without conceding a goal. And for the first time in many years, Germany let me be in major tournament so far as the Euros are concerned. The first plan and a coso and they say a Coben and Gary Southgate be faso set up the team for this particular game. In 1 hour to the game, and a bar said team sheet are de Barbe Boneliki. I'm a coach in a quarter back into line up on a bar and check it from the various tabloids. No more but 10 players in the Amanaka Bakope. It is either the coach the bet you between Jadon Sancho, Bukayo Saka, and then Phil Foden. Into 10 players, nana a number BR. Into Gary Lineker Cotrell on a Twitter page said defend. Or share line up now. It was a teamer na England Barbie defended. Into almost as say almost Gary Southgate. But said you on the field of play, Mekanwa say Germany team no type of ball no more cross and head. No, if you are playing against England on some game plan here, Serbia, and they have 2 tall centre backs when it comes to area duels, only super in John Stones and Harry Maguire. Into no BSI share the planner of the Beko. The first plan they say almost best stop Tony Kroos on swinging the passes new together. On your control in midfield and 4 passes and then Koka Havertz, Thomas Muller and Timo Werner. And the moment a coach in the bench Abrantia, your friend is Sergio Abrino, not the power up front. And the flight I'll be in German attack and that's what it. Because Timo Werner is only coming in with pace. Kai Havertz coming in with supply, a tournament in a performance. Thomas Muller comes in with only experience, all because in the last 3 major Euros, he's yet to hit at the back of the net. Into the first plan, you're making sure that Toni Kroos ain't full control. And Calvin Phillips and Declan Rice, they're perfect. Outplay Leon Goretzka into Rebecca, Toni Kroos in midfield. Now in wide play, it is Robin Gosens and then Joshua Kimmich. Had the weapons of the German team. Portugal and Timia and Stoppo, Hungary and Timia and Stoppo, and that's Hungary moving our qualification to the next stage. England for core the 3 back, no man, multiple players at the back, and some more call many they have multiple players in midfield. Until you stop Joshua Kimmich, you stop Robin Gosens, the real German. That was the exact plan. A due time also Harry Kane involved in terms of play, and Makar Rahim telling us when they started the 3 back, we have been consistent in terms of play. In 2018 World Cup, in the UEFA League of Nations, in qualifiers, Sergio, Adia Raheem Sterling, Ediama English national team, I did so much. So, Refia, Ramon Sanchez to Pedroan, now coach game no coach Spain at home, no game or born that particular day. Until you forget about his recent performance for Manchester City. Now, man in Northern on the left. And said, you exactly Adia England here in the draw. Until the machine that was redefined in some games against Portugal, Hungary, and France, do machine with ease. Until now, here will be or did the creativity in the beba no metimi Germany because already your weapons in Aquan. Then came the introduction of Jack Grealish. Said you, Shaquille of fast setting up the first goal. Emma Lusso at the ball to her. Abranti a friend, Raheem Sterling Cobo born to them. Tekoko then a left footer, a crossover from the left. Emma Hurricane, etimi pin ball no at them. Into the call for Jack Grealish to start in most of their games. No, now in England, for the just said the beer it was a collective play from the 3 Lions of England. And said, "Joe, so she game now the China say it is time for Thomas Muller, Toni Kroos, and then Abrante and Mark Hammers to call it a day for the D-man shaft. Or my pay would you say we on my World Cup, on my Confederation Cup, and now their era no are ended. Or my no coming in the sooner they still have more years to play, but Germany need to rebuild because in the last 3 tournaments they've been in huge humiliation until they need to rebuild. Netherlands suffer from generational changes. Spain for number 3 and in the Mukakra with the resource from war. It is time for Germany to rebuild. England for nations here from under 17, under 20, and on the Bebo semi-finals at the World Cup, and on the Bebo semi-final at the UEFA League of Nations. Now they are in the quarter-final. The last time they were in the round of 16, eliminated by Iceland. Raheem Sterling picture here that he said, "Yo, time or could draw a 2-2 now." He was maligned in England. Almost with this catchy Liverpool, Manchester City, £70 million. Say negative news a ban so and then someone kafa hono said you nensem ketwa. Okodro 2-2 on the Omatrigo so Raheem shoot himself in the foot. And then he is a true hero in England. Yeah. Games no more boring now. There's Harry Kane, there's Jack Grealish, there's much talk about Bukayo Saka and Phil Foden. But the hero in this particular tournament, it will say almost difference near solidified, or me a compact, or me a resolute. But it is Raheem Sterling and tournament, you know, said you or body by storm, as shown a class. What Chelsea class is clearly permanent for him. And said you, England for they are on course. The last time I can say they are walking the talk. This time they are on course to bring the cup new home. Let's not forget, say the big names they call. But Denmark, a former winner. Italy, a former winner. Spain, a former winner. Until we still have teams or magic competition in Bigo, and they can never be underrated. But for now, England are on smooth ride and they deserve to rejoice.
You had the guts we needed. German newspapers and I can't say with English. The 3 Lions. Yes, you had the guts we needed.
The fight. In German team, they don't possess the individuals of Brazil, Argentina, and the South American or France, but they come with a quality play team. Into Germany for about Lucas Podolski no have Thomas Muller why they put in a fight? Who Christian Zigerman who any exceptional play, but they put in a fight. But the one who said fight at Germans the Bama or Palestine was clearly missing. England were rather fighting. They were fighting for redemption. They were fighting to to savage the kind of and some amount for come from over the years at any pedestal stage is so huge they flatter to deceive.
Okay.
Until the Germans won in England had a few almost some and almost the year demand. And so to watch your game now I similar. Develop on which play normal issue area doers. Depend so much when it comes to creativity until Mesut Ozil time, until Lothar Matthias time. But now England are not the best, and for the first time in 55 years, Sergio, situation, I break it and they are in the quarter-final of the competition.
Okay, because a shocking result and a surprising scoreline. Right, and especially Germans, because
on your right
before the game. Now I'm saying like with my Germany 2-0.
Sergio, on Pakroka says surprising. And at the time, Germany here will be so big changing game. No more the Emirates never. Have you checked the match of England? They have Mason Mount, they have Phil Foden, Marcus Rashford. On the time Germany here will be no best save woman. They were bringing in Emirates our England and Conco tournament in and go England and Conco tournament in Omo rely on Matt Hummels and Thomas Muller for years. National team no move in the dome about this particular tournament. England have quality. Okay. Quality DNA Omubi. Ukraine
because Ukraine.
And as a
okay, Kakrebi.
1 minute. Carlo Ancelotti coaches now, players now coach you on be coaches in asa. But Shevchenko tinanim. Yeah, Gattuso on Timi Maeshe. Clarence Seedorf and Timi Amaeshe from Milan, Flamingo, Cameroon. Filippo Inzaghi Amaeshe in Bologna. But Sergio, this is a Ukrainian team that only relies on Abrante Zinchenko, which played for Manchester City. But Sergio, they are in the quarter-final for the first time. Make your appearance to the European terrain and even at the World Cup, but they are in a quarter-final for the first time in major tournament. It really tells you Shevchenko Ayejuma. The classical players Carlo Ancelotti coach Omanu Bienu so betting Ako Menino. Lately, it was Andriy Peluninya, the biggest platform with so much quality. And also failure in the Italian Serie A, disaster in the UEFA Champions League. But then Shevchenko Bema Carlo Ancelotti baby Obia. The students know Chiromadian. Ferguson are the best. Out of Gary Neville, Paul Scholes, only going to associate the best here. But I think Carlo Ancelotti will be happy with Andriy Shevchenko.
Okay, Netherlands, Portugal, France, Germany. I take it shine be out of Euro, Nana.
So obviously yes. Obviously yes, because France a parody with Galaxy of Stars. Portugal, bench cry beat me or beat him. Galaxy of Stars. Netherlands in their last respective tournament performance, and the last time they made it big was 2010 World Cup. The last time they won the Euros was way back in 1988. The Oman Fasters are Dion, Vanadium, Depay, Dumfries, Stefan De Vrij. So these are not established or Galaxy of Stars. But at least Portugal, France, Germany, names no. Portugal has won it. France are jet twice, Germany are Germans. So these are the cathedrals. In any major tournament, and I expect to say, Kayenya, Germany, Portugal in the group stage match, no. Yenya, France, Portugal in the group stage match, no. So you some matches in Kebepesi Binyan in the quarter final, Kebepesi Binyan in semi final, Kebepesi Binyan in the knockout stages. But the funny aspect is that Sam Kofu win na. The funny aspect again, and they say the group of death now are two in France, Germany, Portugal, Hungary, no. All of them echo. But so in tournament. Surprises and so to me my tournament in here.
Switzerland.
Yes.
Switzerland.
Yes.
Czech Republic.
Yes.
Denmark.
Yes.
Ukraine.
Yes. But some of the teams work for it. Switzerland down by 3-1 against France. Czech Republic playing against Netherlands. Fight. Red card no said you Juma edit here Netherlands. But this team that we're talking about work for it. Denmark lost their first 2 games, came back strongly against Russia and beat Russia. And winning the next stage 4 goals, and now they are in the knockout stages. Italy from 2010, 2014, 2018 disaster, 2016 Euro disaster. Oma came back strongly for years. no metimi adu anu knockout stage said these teams musenka because who the big boys na nka ye but these surprising teams work for it in football upset and a man ye there
Marita mamra also na yenhwe